Hi, I'm Gail with Hidden Creations. I wanted to just show you a few things that we're going to have on an upcoming auction. This is a tag-along bike, great to take your little one along on a ride after being in the house. There are slow kids at play, chalkboard for helping your kids with schoolwork. We have 4 of these grabbers that are great for grabbing things or social distancing, trying to reach out and give someone something. Those are not going to be on auction, but if you have the first 4 people that are on my newsletter list that email me that would like one, they're going to be $5 each. Just write down, I would like a grabber. If you've got a bad hair day, we're going to have this fun hat and wig in an auction. You can get that, and we'll have an old stool along with some other items online. Visit our website, www.gailshiddencreations.com. Bye.